It was a night Jamaican football fans hoped would end in celebration, but instead, heartbreak. But even before kickoff in the World Cup qualifier between the Reggae Boys and Curaçao, disorder outside the National Stadium raised concerns, safety concerns. More in this report.
Thousands of people pressed against the National Stadium gates long before kickoff on Tuesday, eager to witness what was supposed to be a history-making moment.
We turn up, the energy there, from 5 o'clock we're there.
But with the venue at capacity, authorities shut the gates, but that did not stop some patrons, many of whom said they had tickets. From there, for many of them it was all about skill and precision as they jumped fences and pushed against barricades. But while some made it through, others weren't so lucky.
Me and my daughter, I'm a companion and all know me can't get for going. Outside a jump fence, police are turned my back, tear down fence to go in and still nothing for my money. It's not fair.
Already, there have been questions about whether the authorities did enough to prevent the situation. We put the concerns to security consultant Robert Finley-Smith.
The security arrangements for the match yesterday had issues that I won't go into, but they speak for themselves. And I just point out that we have done this in the past and done it successfully. So all we have to do is return to a tried and proven tactic.
At the end of the 90 minutes, the excitement before the match turned to disappointment as the Reggae Boys failed to find answers against Curaçao.
You know how far I come from? I thought that Melissa background. St. Elizabeth, where I come from, charge. Yeah, that's what I mean, General. Yeah, they should apply more pressure, man.
The guys did well, they tried, but I was looking forward for the win tonight. Just a little hope after all that's been going on. Really wanted this win.
With the Reggae Boys' World Cup hopes hanging in the balance, there remain more questions than answers, including how the country manages the logistics for big events like these.
It's very easy group. Last time Jamaica qualified for World Cup, I was a baby. Me even bring on my little baby. If you say, oh, history in the making, I'm disappointed. Never again, man. Never again. The coach have to go.
Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.